Sadika, I'm a Thai volunteer. Yeah, talking about agriculture in Thailand. You know, it's not easy to be like this. Before be the rice or husk rice. Many people in Thailand are working as farmers, agricultural. So all around the world and most of countries in the world know that Thailand is agricultural for everyone, everywhere who wanna order, who wanna traveling, yeah, who wants to come to Thailand. You have to know we are farmers. Yes, right. Yes, as everyone knows, they are work hard, but we got milk, we got rice, we got husk rice. You just seen the paddy rice field that's our farmers working, yeah, farmers are working over there, and this what we got too. Many things, it's many things from farmers, from agricultural. Yeah, I hear of store rice. I hear of store rice a lot. If the question is, are you happy? Of course. Yes, of course. We are happy. So what I gonna say for around countries around the world, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Especially for whoever work as agricultural around the world. See you in Thailand. Welcome to Thailand.